Hey y'all, welcome back. Alright, so I have decided to color my hair. So I have this right here, which is Revlon. The color number 33, dark soft brown. Okay, got this from Walmart. Alright, so this is a kit. Okay, so this was, I think, about $2 or $3. You also gonna need some plastic caps. Okay, at least you would need a dye brush. And make sure you have a an old shirt and an old towel that you're not using and that you don't care about and that you can just throw away. Alright, so now I'm about to open this. This is the cream color developer, and this is the color. And have some instructions and conditioner. I suppose we have some gloves. Let's see, where the gloves? Oh, okay, the gloves are right here. Okay, good. Alright, let me get the gloves. Alright, so make sure you read the directions. Alright, got scissors. About to cut the tip. Woo! Hold on. Okay, a little came back. Hold up. I'm gonna put on one glove. Let's open this. Oh, okay. Looks brown. Okay. So make sure you use all of it. Put the top on. Make sure it's on tight too. Then gonna shake. Wow. You can see the little color. It definitely has a strong scent. I put my hair in 4 sections. Okay, this is the front and the back. Okay, so you can use some Vaseline grease, or I'm using the Blue Magic blue grease because I don't have no Vaseline grease. So you put it around your edges. Okay. So I just put on both gloves, but look, they ain't going whole. So make sure that you will have some extra gloves when you color your hair. shake it a little bit more, you know, just to make sure that I'm good. Oh, okay, it's dark brown now. What I'm going to do, get this, but do not put it on your scalp. I'm just going to put it on my roots and not the tip, because I love my hair color on the tips of it. So, I'm going to pour some of this on the tip. I'm going to start with the edges. This is why I be using this, so I won't, you know, put it on my scalp. Now with the back, I'm definitely going to use my hands, because I can't see in the back. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Done with putting the hair dye in my hair. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can see that the color is like coming in. Alright, so about to get my plastic cap. I don't want to have no hair down my fingers. Alright, so about to leave this cap on for 30 minutes and then we're going to wash it out, and I will show you guys what my hair looks like with the color in my hair. Okay, now some people use regular Walmart bags, Winn-Dixie bags, Target bags, whatever you have, just use, okay? But I prefer to use the plastic caps. Alright, y'all, this is the finished look of my hair. Now, the hair that I took, as you can see, let me show you guys a closer look of my hair. Look, y'all, it is darker. Hopefully you guys can see a difference. Okay. Alright, so I did let my hair sit in a plastic cap for 30 minutes. Alright, I have like a lot left, but I think it's to like right here. Okay, but I'm going to throw it away because I don't have no use for it. Now, this is my first time ever using this brand. Okay, but I really like this brand, but the only thing that I don't like about it is when you wash the hair dye out of your hair gets dry. And that's what I don't like about it. Especially when you put the conditioner in your hair. Okay, so that's the only thing. So yeah. But I do recommend you guys to use this. My hair is the color number 4. Okay, and this hair color kind of look like black a little bit, but it's not really black, but I still like it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is my first time ever dyeing my hair this color. Okay, but yeah, and my hair is also permed. I had permed my hair a month and a half ago. Okay, so that's why my hair looks straight now. Okay, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.